Welcome back, everyone, to another deep dive. Ever stop to think about what keeps a place like Yaletown in Vancouver ticking, especially with all that rain? Today, we're diving into something maybe overlooked, but honestly, it's critical. Drainage repair. We've got sources here that really highlight how vital these underground systems are. We're talking property protection, healthy living, the whole package. So our mission today is to, cut through the technical stuff and give you the key takeaways, your shortcut to understanding the issues, the fixes, and maybe what's next for drainage in Yaletown. Let's get into it.
It's fascinating, really. When you look at Yaletown's drainage, it's not just about stopping floods, though that's huge. It's like this silent guardian protecting everything from, say, your indoor air quality, keeping mold away, to the actual structure of buildings, stopping soil erosion you can't even see.
That's a really important point, protecting the foundations, literally.
Exactly. And in a place like Yaletown, dense, developing fast, lots of rain-good water management isn't just nice to have. It's fundamental for the infrastructure, for climate resilience, long-term.
Okay, so given how crucial this is, what are the biggest threats? Our sources point to a few common things. You've got blockages, right? Seems pretty frequent, usually a mix of debris, maybe sediment building up, leads to those slow drains, or worse, full clogs.
Classic problem.
And then with everything so packed together, heavy rain can just overwhelm older systems, can't it? You get pooling, maybe even some localized flooding.
Yeah, the capacity issue is real.
Yeah.
Plus, don't forget the smells from stagnant water or the pests it can attract. Not pleasant.
No. So this brings up a key question. How do you spot these problems early, before they become a total nightmare?
Vigilance is key. That really comes through in the data we looked at. If you're a homeowner or managing property, you need to keep an eye out. Look for the subtle things, like sinks draining slowly all the time, or water pooling outside that just doesn't go away.
Okay, like puddles that linger too long.
Exactly. Or weird sounds like gurgling coming from the drains. Those are definitely red flags.
Yeah.
Catching it early saves so much hassle, time, money, especially with Yaletown's, unique pressures. Regular checks are vital.
Right. So say you spot something, then comes the big decision. Try to fix it yourself or call in the pros. Our deep dive suggests that, especially in Yaletown, professional help is often the way to go. They bring specialized tools, sure, but also that local knowledge. Vancouver's soil, the weather, the city codes.
That local expertise is crucial. They can find hidden issues, maybe using things like camera inspections to see the real root cause. Could be tree roots sneaking in, for example.
The tree root problem.
Always a possibility. Yeah. And professionals make sure the fix is actually up to code. Minimizes disruption. It's often worth it.
You mentioned tools and techniques. What kind of sophisticated stuff are we talking about now?
Oh, there's some really interesting tech. Hydrojetting, for instance. Think of it like high-pressure water blasting away really stubborn blightages. Great for roots and sediment, common in Yaletown's older areas, and no harsh chemicals.
Okay, like power washing for your pipes.
Sort of, yeah. Then there's pipe relining. This is pretty cool. They basically inflate a resin-coated tube inside the old pipe. It hardens, and boom, new pipe inside the old one.
Without digging everything up.
Exactly. Minimal excavation. A huge plus in dense urban spots like Yaletown, where digging is a massive pain. Of course, traditional digging is still needed sometimes for really bad breaks.
And the innovation keeps going, right? Trenchless technology seems like a real game changer. Repairs, even installations, without the big dig. Saves time, saves money.
Definitely. And we're even seeing smart monitoring systems pop up, using sensors to detect, like, tiny changes in water flow. That allows for proactive maintenance, not just fixing things after they break.
So for people in Yaletown, this means more reliable systems, less hassle, maybe lower costs in the long run?
That's the goal, yes. And connecting this back, it's kind of surprising, but when you're paying attention to a slow drain, you're not just protecting your basement. You're actually contributing, in a small way, to Yaletown's overall climate resilience, urban sustainability.
How so?
Well, understanding and maintaining these systems, even simple stuff like keeping your gutters clear, it all adds up. And being aware of local green infrastructure plans, things like rain gardens or bioswales, those specially designed landscape features that help manage stormwater naturally. It's all part of a bigger picture.
Right, those landscaped areas you see sometimes designed to soak up rain.
Exactly. It's about everyone playing a part in managing water effectively.
That broader view really puts it into perspective. So for you listening, the takeaway seems clear. Your actions matter. Big or small, they contribute to how well our urban areas handle water. It makes you think, doesn't it? How effective water management shapes our communities, our daily lives, often in ways we don't even notice. Thanks for diving deep with us today.